though it's technically Tuesday, soon-ish. It's still 11-ish.
Still Monday.
But we are on our way. As you can see, it's dark out there. And we are on our way to Hutchinson so that I can catch the train. So we have like a 3-hour drive till we get to the train station. And so far, the roads are nice. Dry, clear. So, anyways, we'll see how that holds up. It is 4:24 in the morning. And I'm on the train. I've been on the train for about an hour. It was a rushed getting on the train. Got to the station early, despite getting lost on the way. But then, yeah, all of a sudden the train was there, and anyways, got to, you know, hug all the kids and say bye, and kind of miss saying bye to Steve, but you know, that's okay. He is going to text me when he gets home because, yeah, they have a 3-hour drive ahead of them, so I am going to, I'm talking from the bathroom right now because everybody on the train is sleeping. So I am going to, yeah, go to sleep myself, I think, and, I don't know. I've already been crocheting. I was on the train less than 10 minutes and every yarn in my hands. And I am almost done with the scarf. So I will probably finish that in the morning. I was going to finish it tonight, but then I was like, no, you should really go to sleep. So I think I'm going to. And I'll talk to you in the morning.
Pulling into the Hunter, Colorado. Look, there's snow. We're in La Junta, Colorado, and this is my train. The 2 engines, baggage car, and then these tall ones right here are sleeping cars for people that get the sleepers, which I personally think are overpriced because your seat is very comfortable. There's leg rests that come up so you can sleep with your legs up. They recline pretty far. There's a lot of leg room, even though you have like your carry-ons and stuff by your feet. I have tons of space. So there's one sleeping car, there's another sleeping car. And I'm riding on the Southwest Chief, which runs from Chicago to LA. And this is the dining car. So up on the top level there's the place you can go, like a restaurant. And then this car has windows on the top right here. That's the observation car. And then on the bottom there's like a little cafe where there's like a snack bar basically. And then there's 3 cars of like normal cars, and I am in this first one. So that's your tour. So now I'm in the Sightseer Lounge, which is the one with the like windows. Got this little like couchy set up. Project bag, my phone's plugged in. There's like little phone chargers everywhere, or like the ports I put my charger in. There's my breakfast. I have coffee with cream and sugar and some mini blueberry scones we got last night because we stopped at Walmart in Salina on our way because I didn't get to go do my Walmart trip because, you know, the ice. So I thought I would show you the timetable and let you know where we are at. So I got on the train here in Hutchinson at 3:20 in the morning. And since then, I slept through us going through Dodge City, and Garden City, and Lamar. And now we're in La Junta. So we have a ways to go Obviously, we switched time zones. But I will be getting off at the very end in LA tomorrow. Tunnel. Cleaning the windows in Albuquerque.